Welcome to This Explainer. There's a massive divide in how we all use AI today. Which side are you on? Still manually typing the same prompts and hitting token limits? That repetitive burnout ends today. See, 10x users deploy automated workflows. They completely leave basic copy-pasting chatters in the dust. So what's a Claude skill? Under the hood, it's a Markdown file automating specific, repeatable jobs. They live locally or in team repos. They load on demand without eating your main context window. All right, category 1, the writing toolkit. Let's permanently erase that generic AI slop from our lives. The humanizer skill wipes out 29 specific patterns that instantly flag your writing as AI generated. Set up the brand guidelines skill once and you'll literally never manually type hex codes again. Moving to category 2, the business toolkit. Think of this as your automated deep research consultant. The office hour skill delivers brutal, Gary Tan-style reality checks, firing off forcing questions instantly. Get this, the deep research skill actually mapped a $623 million market in 8 minutes. Category 3, the efficiency toolkit. It's all about maximizing your output while minimizing token costs. Skills like token optimization and caveman can literally save up to 75% of your usage limit. And the fact checker skill? It scores viral claims and links sources in 40 seconds to stop bad info. Don't want to memorize tools? The Find Skills scans over 1,000 options to run your perfect match. Okay, that brings us to the ultimate tool of the whole shebang, the skill creator. This official tool interviews you, drafts, tests, and saves your custom Markdown file completely automatically. You literally just sit back and answer questions. So what workflow are you going to automate first?